Question 401. The fluid mosaic model of biomembrane was proposed by. Right answer is option B. Singer and Nicholson. Question 402. The primary function of ribosome is. Right answer option B. Protein synthesis. Question 403. Lysosomes are particularly abundant in. Right answer is option B. Phagocytic cells. Question 404. Crossing over takes place during. Right answer option B. Zygote. Question 405. The synaptonymal complex forms during. Right answer option B. Zygote. Question 406. Incomplete dominance is exemplified by. Right answer is option B. Mirabilis jalapa flower color. Question 407. Multiple alleles are best illustrated by. Right answer is option B. ABO blood group system. Question 408. Genetic material of most organism is. Right answer is option B. DNA. Question 409. Okazaki fragments are synthesized on. Right answer is option B. Lagging strand. Question 410. The enzyme responsible for removing RNA primers in DNA replication. Right answer is option B. DNA polymerase 1. Question 411. The body cavity completely lined by mesoderm. Right answer is option C. Coelom. Question 412. Segmentation metamerism is a characteristic feature of. Right answer is option C. Annelida. Question 413. The excretory organ of insects is. Right answer is option C. Malpighian tubules. Question 414. Radical cleavage is typically seen in. Right answer is option B. Echinoderms. Question 415. The notochord in vertebrates is replaced by. Right answer is option B. Vertebral column. Question 416. The amphibian heart has. Right answer is option B. Three chambers. Question 417. The first vertebrates to exhibit amniotic eggs were. Right answer is option B. Reptiles. Question 418. The largest artery in human body. Right answer is option B. Aorta. Question 419. Hemoglobin primarily transport. Right answer is option B. Oxygen. Question 420. The pacemaker of heart is. Right answer is option B. SA node. Question 421. The enzyme that catalyzes oxidation reactions are called. Right answer is option B. Oxidoreductases. Question 422. The universal energy currency of cell. Right answer is option B. ATP. Question 423. Glycolysis occurs in. Right answer is option B. Cytoplasm. Question 424. The Krebs cycle occurs in. Right answer is option B. Mitochondrial matrix. Question 425. During fertilization, fusion of male and female nuclei is called. Right answer is option A, syngamy. Question 4 to 6. The embryonic germ layer that forms nervous system is. Right answer is option C, ectoderm. Question 4 to 7. Darwin explained evolution mainly through. Right answer is option B, natural selection. Question 4 to 8. Vestigial organs are evidence of. Right answer is option A, evolution. Question 4 to 9. Ecological niche refers to. Right answer is option B, functional role of organism in ecosystem. Question 430. The pheromones are chemicals used for. Right answer is option B, communication between individuals.